let's move to the blending of the three-letter sounds. Now in this, we will continue to do step number 1, which was the blending of the first two sounds, which was a consonant and a vowel. We blend them together and then we move to the third sound. Let's do with an example. Say if we are using the consonant R and we are using the vowel A and the word is rat. So how are we going to blend it? R, A, rat, R, A, rat, rat, R, A, rat, rat. First we slide only for the two sounds. The first two sounds, P, A, pa, and we stop over here. And then we say the third sound, P, A, pa, and we slide all over again, pan, P, A, pa, pan, P, A, pa, pan. So first we slide to two letters and in the end we slide on all the three letters together without stopping. Let's do some more examples with the other vowels. L, A, li, L, A, li, d, L, A, li, d, lid, L, A, li, d, lid, L, A, li, d, lid, L, A, li, d, lid.
D, A, D, A, da, dot, D, A, dot, dot, D, A, dot, dot. M, eh, meh, eh, meh, eh, meh, men, eh, meh, men. Makes fur. This alone is not fur. The sound is, remember? Fur. So what will come here? Fur. Fun. Fun. Hit. 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 Continue to slide. Continue to slide from one sound to the other. Join. From that to the third. Join all. Hit. 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 R. R. A. Raw. R. A. Raw. Rot. R. A. Raw. Rot. Rot. Sliding from one sound to the other.